Why do we feel pressure when we see phrases like only two left, last hours, or nice, limited stock? This reaction is not logical, it's psychological. Today, we'll uncover the scarcity effect and why marketers love it. Scarcity is a psychological trigger that makes something feel more valuable simply because it seems rare or limited. When we believe we might lose an opportunity, our emotional brain takes over and pushes us to act fast. In moments of scarcity, the emotional system activates instantly. It creates urgency, fear of missing out, and a sense of competition. Meanwhile, the logical system becomes weaker. This imbalance makes quick decisions feel necessary, even if the product is not. Marketers use scarcity intentionally. They use countdown timers, low stock alerts, and phrases like selling out fast to trigger emotional buying. These messages are designed to bypass your logical thinking and activate impulse purchasing. Think about flash sales, airline tickets showing only one seat left, or websites highlighting 20 people are viewing this right now. All of these are scarcity tactics, and they work because they target the fast emotional system in your brain. To avoid falling into scarcity traps, pause before reacting. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Take 30 seconds to let your logical mind activate. Most of the time, the pressure disappears, and so does the desire to buy. Understanding scarcity makes you a smarter decision maker. If you want to strengthen your business thinking and master marketing psychology, like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned. Mind to market. Think smarter. Win bigger.